Did you know that missed charges within a veterinary practice can cost between 5 to 10% of annual revenue? This means a practice with revenue of $2 million could be losing up to $200,000 a year in missed charges. Pretty scary, right? ezyVet's automated charge capture solves this problem by automating daily invoicing and reducing manual tasks. Let's jump straight in and check it out. Starting at the first point of contact, we can automate the charge capture based on the appointment type. Head over to Settings within the Admin tab, then select Appointment Types. In our example today, we're looking at a wellness exam, attaching a standard consult fee within the billing trigger field. And voila! Anything associated with that appointment type is automatically invoiced when the patient walks through the door. Next, let's dive into clinical histories. In this example, we're using our pre-surgical diagnostic pick list, which includes billing triggers, allowing you to seamlessly write clinical histories and invoice at the same time. Simply tab through the pick list and select relevant diagnostic tests required. Then ezyVet will automatically invoice and add the diagnostics into the diagnostic request section of the clinical record. It's that easy. The last feature we're sharing for automated charge capture is templated procedures with bundles. We're using a spay procedure in our example. Simply tab through to adjust the quantities. Anything that is grayed out is a fixed product of this procedure. So not only are we reducing missed charges, but we're also creating a more streamlined clinical workflow. Pretty cool, right? To stop your hard-earned dollars from walking right out the door, head to the Help tab and search Billing Triggers to increase your practice revenue and set up ezyVet's automatic charge capture feature.